Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Little Genius Chavi. So today I am going to show you how you can create a pattern drawing. So let's start. You need to open your Scratch window and rename your project, and that is pattern drawing. Pattern drawing. Yeah. Now what you need to do is go in events block. And I have already showed you how to take an extension of pen. You need to go over here and pen. I have already taken it. Yeah. Now what you need to do is go in. You are already in pen. Okay. Go put erase all and pen up, and then control, and then forever block. Then you need to go in pen again and use pen down. Then what you need to do is you need to go in motion block and use move 10 steps, and instead of move 10 steps do 100 steps. Then what you need to do is go in control block and use wait 1 second. Then you need to go in again in motion block and use this turn 15 degree, and instead of 15 you need to use 500. And then you need to go in pen again and use change. If you want to change the color of the pen, then only you need to do this. Okay, change pen color by 256. 56. Yeah. So now let's check if it is working. It will make a pattern of just like a star. You can see it. It is making such a nice design. So this is the overall video that or a pattern drawing. So thanks for watching, guys. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel Little Genius Chavi. Bye bye.